Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SaVi the Fashion Hub. Today I am going to create Selena Gomez and leading Hollywood actress inspired makeup look. Before start the video, if you yet didn't subscribe, please do so and press the bell icon for upcoming alerts. Don't forget to share among friends and family. Let's start. Firstly, I am going to apply primer. This is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. Next, I am going to apply foundation and blend it properly. Once again I am going to apply same foundation as a concealer on my highlighting points and blend it with foundation brush. Next I am using Lakme Rose Powder for set my foundation properly. This is best rose powder for set your base. It's looking so naturally. For brows, I am using Swiss Beauty Brow Kit. Actually, it's 2-in-1. It's come with gel eyeliner and brow powder also. Now move on eye makeup. Firstly, this baby pink shade applying on eyelid. I am using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Also apply on lower lashes. Near to upper line and lower line. Now I am going to pick shimmery shade. This is baby pink shade and applying on middle eyelid like so. Also apply on inner corner of eyes. Next I am going to pick taupey shade on crease. With the help of bullet brush. It's give little bit depth on our eyes. Next I am applying black shade on lower lash line. It looks so beautiful and natural. You can see the difference. And take a small brush and smudge it. As you can see, Also I am applying a little bit shimmery shade on my lower lash line. Now I am going to curl my lashes and applying mascara. For mascara I am applying Maybelline mascara. It's give best volume for your lashes. I'm applying peach blush on my cheeks. And some highlighter for glowing look. Now I am going to use Swiss Beauty lip liner. Draw outer line and little bit orange lipstick. Now I am using concealer for lightening the lip shade. That's hacks for you girls. So this is the final look. Please comment below how do you feel after watching video, especially for my dressing style, hairstyle and makeup. Thanks for watching video and stay tuned for coming content. Take care. See you. Bye.